Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix this type of error. If you are facing this type of error, then I will show you how can you fix it. Just simply close this page from here, and after that what you need to do is just simply open settings, and from here you have to check your Wi-Fi connection if you are using Wi-Fi, and then you have to turn off your Wi-Fi, and then after that turn it on. And if you are using mobile data, then you have to tap on mobile data, and from here you have to turn the toggle on or turn it off again, and again turn it on. And after that what you need to do is just simply turn on airplane mode at least for the 30 seconds, and then turn it off. And after that check whether your problem has been fixed or not. And if the problem still exists, then what you need to do just simply open settings. From here you have to scroll it on, and from here you have to tap on battery, and from here you have to turn off the low power mode if it's turned on, and then you have to go back, and from here you have to scroll it on from here, and you have to tap on photos from here. So you have to search for photos. It is guys, and from here what you need to do is just simply turn the toggle on for iCloud photos, and after that what you need to do is just simply tap on mobile data, and from here you have to turn on unlimited updates, and then go back from here, and after that check whether your problem has been fixed or not. And if the problem still exists there, then what you need to do is just simply open settings, and then you have to tap on your Apology, and from here you have to tap on iCloud, and from here you have to tap on photos, and then you have to turn the toggle on for this, and after that go back from here, and then you have to tap on settings, and then scroll it on. From here you have to tap on general, and after that what you need to do is just simply reset your network setting for that open general, and from here you have to tap on transfer reset iPhone, then you have to tap on reset, and from here you have to tap on reset network setting, and you have to give your phone passcode, and after that you have to tap on reset network setting. This will delete all network setting, returning them to factory default. So you have to tap on reset network setting to confirm the process, and after that what you need to do is just simply check whether the problem has been fixed or not. And if some problem like this there, then what you need to do, finally open settings, and then you have to tap on general, and from here you have to check for your software update. If any update available here, then you have to update your iPhone to the latest version, and after doing all these things your problem will be fixed. So this is guys for today video. If the video is helpful, please like the video and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.